This is the seat gas spring that we produce, available in different colors to match. These locking gas springs are effectively fitted to the seat base. This black seat locking spring is one of the best-selling products and is particularly popular in the market. Gas-stack gas lifts can be custom-made in length according to the dimensions of the customer's stools. If you are going to buy a seat, which of these colors is more to your liking? We can make controllable seat gas springs in different lengths and have more options to meet your needs. You can also purchase a variety of seat wheel accessories, including lockable, universal, and directional wheels. There are also rubber wheels available in different sizes. The gas-stack gas lift ensures smooth and reliable height adjustment for comfort and usability. Additionally, gas-stack offers a quality guarantee of 30,000 cycles or 2 years. If you're interested in our factory, you can check out the video linked at the end. We will be uploading new videos continuously. Subscribe to see all our latest content.